Hello there, what is up? Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. My name is Trix, and on this channel, we hang out every Monday, Friday, and Saturday. We unbox subscription boxes, share our love for all things Disney, review products, and go through our shopping hauls. If any or all of that sounds like something you would like to see more of, make sure you click that subscribe button and ring that bell before you leave here today. That way you will not miss another upload. So today, we are going to be unboxing the Therabox subscription box for January. Therabox is a self-care and wellness monthly subscription box. I've been receiving Therabox for almost a year now. I will be linking down below in the description box a playlist so you can check out all of my other Therabox unboxings. I have loved nearly every single thing that has come in these Theraboxes over the past year or so, and I am really looking forward to seeing what is inside of this box. Now, Therabox does start at $34.99 per month and does promise various values depending on the box. It will always be over $150. According to the booklet, this month's box promises a $200 plus retail value. Let's take a look at the box, shall we? And we have our booklet and a new little card here. Let's see. Okay, so they are telling us that one of their vendors, the Farmer's Touch, had to unexpectedly shut down their operations due to the pandemic, and they are replacing an eye cream that's supposed to be in here with an eyeliner. So whenever we get to that, I'll read to you about that eyeliner. Here is the theme for January's box: Renew. This script took me longer than I care to admit to read. So we have some nice little sparklers here. Each month they do include this booklet. There's a write-up from the founder of Therabox about the theme of the box, and then they have all of the items, a little write-up, plus the retail values and some FAQs here. I'll be taking a look at that booklet as we unbox. So I'm just gonna pull from the top, and the first thing that we have are some hand wipes, some sanitizing hand and body tissues, wipes, which is definitely something that we could all use in today's age. These hand sanitizing tissues are from Ariul, A-R-I-U-L. So these do not have any alcohol in them, but they do pass the sanitation test. It appears that instead of alcohol, the active ingredient for sanitizing is benzochlorium chloride. And this also features aloe to soothe and hydrate the skin. It effectively kills 99.9% of germs and bacteria. It is cruelty-free and vegan, and it does say that it is stress relieving. So I wonder what scent is in here. I'm not gonna open these up, by the way, to smell them because I already have a pack of hand sanitizing wipes that I keep in my bag. So I don't wanna open these and them dry out before, I can use them. Next up, we have that eyeliner that I was referencing. I love the gradient, by the way, on this box. So this is from TYNT Beauty. This is the Phantom Liner in black. This is cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, non-toxic, and gluten-free. All right, and let's swatch. I don't really use that much eyeliner, to be honest, because my hands do like to shake. So I usually just go in whenever I do line my eyes with a black eyeshadow, but I am interested in giving this a shot. All right, so this is a liquid eyeliner. It says to shake well before use. Screws off. Ooh. All right, we have the finest tip here. Not even sure if it's going to pick up. All right, so that is quite a fine tip. Let's swatch right here. Let's see, let's swatch right here. That is extremely black and nicely detailed. It's not fading or running into the lines of my arm or anything like that. Well, I'm gonna have to give that a little test on my eyes later on today. So next we have up a beauty tool, which is something that I have seen all over Instagram, but never really had the urge to use. Might use this one, might pass it along to somebody or put it in an upcoming giveaway. This is a microneedling derma roller. This is from Zoe Ayla. This instrument is safely designed for at-home use. The spiky wonder tool uses 0.5 millimeter long, safe stainless steel long needles to gently micro exfoliate. There was long a lot in there. There were like too many longs in there. To gently micro exfoliate and create the appearance of smoother, plumper, firmer looking skin. Use once a month or once a week only if your skin can tolerate weekly treatments. So the key benefits of this promises to allow for better penetration of your favorite beauty products, stimulate your skin to produce more collagen, which is the key to radiant skin, reduce the appearance of scarring, fine lines, and wrinkles, reduce age spots and stretch marks. And this does have a crystal clear case for the protection of the needles. All right, so this is interesting. Definitely never something that I thought that I would own. Not something that I would go out and get, but I do know that this is one of those like hot trends now. So it's really cool that they are including something like this in this box. I really do enjoy it when subscription boxes send beauty tools or makeup tools. That way you can use them a really long time. I find that you really do get your money's worth with this. Let us know down below, have you microneedled before, either professionally or at home? I would love to hear about your experiences with that. We have a hair mask. Last month we received a hair mask as well. If you did not see that first impressions video, I'll link it down below in the description box. I really loved that hair mask. So I might do another first impressions of this one from a completely different brand. This is from Nelson J. Beverly Hills, and this is the Moisture Healing Hair Mask. And this features argan oil. It is eco-friendly, not tested on animals, paraben-free, and has plant extract. I really do like this packaging. It definitely does take up less plastic, so that is less waste in landfills. This promises to detangle, control frizz, prevent hair color fading. It seals the split ends, protects from chlorine and salt water, restores silkiness and shine, and enhances natural body. And this comes in the scent of coconut. I am going to give this a little smell because I will be using this soon. This smells so good. This smells like a tropical getaway. So we have in here, it is just that really thick mask. This smells great. This, I will definitely be using this and trying this out in an upcoming video. So if you want to see how the Nelson J. Beverly Hills hair mask works and you are not yet subscribed, make sure you hit that red subscribe button. That way you'll be notified when I do upload this video. Now, would it be a Therabox unboxing if we did not have a product from Amena Skincare? I do not think so, but that is one of those products that I absolutely love. I've loved every single product I've received from this brand, so I am thrilled that almost every month, I think every month, Therabox does include one of their products in the box. This is a face mask refreshing spray. So this is a face mask refreshing spray in lavender and lemongrass. That is something so specific that like a year ago, I didn't think I would ever need. Now I do use reusable face masks at work and whenever I go out in public, so I do wash them after every use, but this will definitely be nice to put in my bag, definitely to refresh my mask like midday, definitely. This is cruelty-free, vegan, antimicrobial. So it is fragrance-free, but it has lavender and lemongrass oils in it, so it is natural and paraben-free. Let's shake it up. Ooh, that is that smells so good. Oh my goodness, that smells amazing. I like that spray. Like this, by the way, is like a face spray, like a setting spray of my dreams. Like that little like spritz, beautiful. It smells amazing. I would love for them to make a room spray in that scent. Next up, we have a face mask and we have a clay face mask that you mix up yourself. I do love receiving masks like this. I mean, I like the ones that come like pre-made, but one, I like feeling like I'm mixing up like a lotion and potion for my skin. But two, I find that they last a lot longer. So, so this is the Hibiscus Nourishing Clay Mask from Bacalia Botanicals. So reading with the booklet, this Hibiscus Nourishing Clay Mask is made with the most gentle form of kaolin clay. The mask is a powerhouse as it still takes on the task of heavy lifting by helping draw out dirt, grime, and blackheads. Hibiscus contains a natural source of AHAs that leaves the skin feeling and looking fresher, younger, and more radiant. All right, so they say that you can use this as two different masks. You can use it as an acne spot treatment for trouble areas or all over the face for a full face cleanse. Very good. I wonder if it smells like hibiscus. Yeah, it does. It has that lovely hibiscus scent. We have two more items to go. So this I saw in one of the spoilers that they sent out and looks beautiful. So this is the Balance Salt, Pepper, and Sauce set from Willow Collective. So they are made to look like stones, and they feel like stone. So we have here your sauce dish, and then your salt and pepper shakers though. You can stack them all together. To look like this, to look like a little Zen garden rock formation. That's so beautiful. This is going to look great. So usually salt and pepper shakers are the type of things that like I just keep in the cabinet, but I'll definitely leave these out on the countertop. How beautiful and minimalistic are these? Each month, in addition to including self-care items, Therabox does include a happiness boosting item. And this month they have included a self-care planner. This is from the company Simple Self. Let's take a look at this cover. I just think it's so beautiful. I love the muted shades and the different shapes that they have used. So the front, and do we have the back? And I really, like in my everyday life, I use the Happy Planner planners, and they have coils, but it's a different type of coil. I'm really not a big fan of coil-bound planners or composition books or anything like that. So I like that this is actually book-bound. This is a 13-week self-care planner, and they have instructions of how to use the planner in here. So they walk you through in this planner, creating your own self-care plan, setting different goals with work, well-being, relationships, recreation, finances, and your spirituality. Actual like monthly plans, not dated, so you can start this anytime. Monthly intentions, pages like this, which is really cool. So you can pick what day, you can set your goals, what you're grateful for, etc. Oh, how much water you have had. So if you have watched my 2021 goals that I've set for myself, one is to have a self-care day or self-care time every single week. So this planner is something that can really go into that. All right, so Therabox is promising that this does have a retail value of $200+. Let's tally everything up here that we unboxed today and see what the retail value of the January Therabox box really is. So first up, we have the micro needling derma roller from Zoe Ayla. This has a retail value of $33.99. Next, we have the face mask refreshing spray from Anamina Skincare. This has a retail value of $19.99. We have our phantom liner from TYNT, which is still going strong, has dried down and is not smudging at all. Great sign. This retails for, where's the card? This retails for $18. We have our moisture healing hair mask from Nelson J Beverly Hills. This has a retail value of $24. We have our hand sanitizing stress relieving tissues from Ariel. This has a retail value of $2.49. Next, we have our hibiscus clay face mask from the Kalia Botanicals, and this has a retail value of $22. I thought that they were called Balance. They are called Mindful Pebbles. Our salt and pepper shaker and sauce dish set, this has a retail value of $30. And our self-care planner from Simple Self has a retail value of $30. So okay, technically altogether, our box came out to a total of $180.47, which is under the promised retail value of $200+, but this was printed before there was a mix-up with the products, and the eye cream that we were supposed to be receiving had a retail value of $40. So that would have been $190.47. Maybe that was a mistake that they had. Maybe that was left over from last month and it was a mistake that they had in their printing. Because usually what they print in here, like Therabox does deliver usually with the retail value. So regardless, so printing math issues aside, then I am most excited this month, actually. I am a planner person. I am a person who likes to write things down. So this self-care planner, definitely. And just for aesthetics purposes in the home, this salt, pepper, and sauce set. So let us know down below in the comments, what was your favorite item out of this box. I do have a link down below in the description box. You can check out Therabox for yourself and subscribe or give it to somebody as a gift if you so choose. And once again, I do have that playlist down below if you would like to check out previous Therabox unboxings I have done on this channel. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today while I unboxed the January Therabox subscription box. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye!